Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Daikin inverter AC or Daikin split AC and in that AC air cutting sound is coming and your AC is not doing proper cooling this problem in today's video. If you are a technician, then this video is very helpful for you, and if you are a customer, then you can also fix this problem and you can fix your AC very easily. So let's start the video. Air cutting sound can be heard in AC. Now I show you grill temperature of AC from temperature meter. This AC is not doing proper cooling. AC's grill temperature is not decreasing below 19 degrees, so AC is not doing proper cooling. Now I can feel with my hand less air from AC which is coming intermittently. Now first of all lock the gas of your AC. Before locking the AC gas, turn on your AC and open the outdoor side cover with the help of a screwdriver. Now open both the nuts on the side of the outdoor unit. Now tighten the thin discharge pipe with number 5 Allen key. Now after 1 minute you tighten the suction pipe with a number 5 Allen key thick. Now turn off the AC from the main switch. Now open the front cover of AC and take out the filter neck. Now open the 3 screws on the front of the cover. Now you open the front cover. It has 3 locks on the top. Now open the front cover of the wiring. And open and separate the connect wire in the outdoor. Now open the pipe of the indoor unit with the help of wrench tool. Now take down the indoor unit easily. Now take out the swing flap with light hands. Keep in mind that the swing flap is very delicate. Now open the whole set of PCB. Now separate the fan motor and swing motor connectors from the PCB by opening them. Now by opening the earthing wire from the PCB, take the PCB apart. Now separate the swing motor attached to the drain assembly by opening it. Now open both the screws on one side of the cooling coil. Now open the side cover at the back of the indoor unit. Now also open the screw on the other side of the cooling coil. Remove the lock of the cooling coil with the help of a screwdriver and separate the cooling coil from the body. Now open the fan motor cover. After that, the blower is removed by opening it, and the fan motor is also removed by opening it. You can see that there is a lot of dust in the cooling coil, due to which AC is not able to do proper cooling, and the electricity bill also starts coming very high, and the sound of air cutting also comes due to this dust. You can see all open parts of AC. Before washing the cooling coil with a jet pump, pack the pipe of the cooling coil with tape or put a plastic nut so that water does not enter the pipe. Now we clean the cooling coil. You should note that the pressure of the jet pump is very high. More pressure can damage the cooling coil, so clean it by reducing the pressure a little. The air throw in AC is less, and the air comes less, and the sound of air cutting comes. Then you clean the AC like this. Believe me, your AC will work like new, and the electricity bill will also be very less. Air throw will also be enough. The garbage will increase. It is trapped inside. This garbage will come out from the pressure of the jet pump. Cooling coil looks like new after cleaning. Do not work in haste. Do it slowly. When you are satisfied that the cooling coil is clean, only then wash the other parts. Cooling coil is a very important part of the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the debris is removed. You can also clean it well with surf water. This will remove the dirty smell coming in the AC. Now wash away the surf water with clear water. Now the cooling coil is thoroughly cleaned. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure the proper is not clean. If you clean the blower, then believe me, the flow of your AC will be completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. All parts of AC are cleaned with the pressure of jet pump. After washing all the parts, you leave the item like this for a while until the water comes out, or dry it with the help of a blower. After that you wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Fits everything back. Now after this we put the blower and motor. Tighten the fan motor cover as well. Install the cooling coil and fix all its screws. Tighten the swing motor as well. After that, by fitting the PCB, connect the connector of the fan motor as well. After that the front cover is also seated. And put all the screws. After that carefully fix the swing flap as well. After that put the filter net and close the cover. Also attach the back cover of the indoor unit. Now install the indoor unit back and tighten the pipe. After that tighten the outdoor supply wire as well. Now note that before opening the AC gas, you vacuum the AC properly for 10 to 15 minutes. AC is vacuumed well. Now open the thin pipe with Allenky tools and check the leakage with the help of surf and sponge. If there is no leakage in your AC, then open the gas completely and fit the nut and cover of the outdoor unit. Now the AC has started working well, and the grill temperature has also started decreasing, and the AC has started working like a brand new AC. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.